Hazrat Nafi narrates that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu was asked about the fair prayer. So he said, the Imam should stand in the front and some nearly half of them of the people, combatants, should perform one unit along with the Imam, and the other batch who has not yet performed the prayer must remain in between them and the enemies. Thereafter those who have performed one unit must replace the people who have not yet performed the prayer, but must not perform salutation. Now those who have not performed the prayer should perform one unit with the Imam, then Imam should perform salutation, for he has performed two units. Now each of the batch should itself perform its other unit, after the Imam has performed salutation. In this way both of the batches have performed their two units. If there is excessive fear, perform the prayer standing, whether you are on foot or riding a mount, facing the Qibla or any direction that is possible. Imam Malik rahmatullah alayhi says that Nafi said, I think Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu has reported this hadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4535.